Welcome to our guide on how to display tagged videos on Facebook using your PC. Let's go through the steps together. Begin by opening Facebook on your PC. Once logged in, locate and click on your profile picture situated at the top right corner of the screen. Next, navigate to Settings and Privacy and click on Settings from the options presented. On the left-hand side, select Privacy to access privacy settings within your account. Then, click on Profile and Tagging to customize how tagged videos appear on your profile. Beside the section titled, Who can see what others post on your profile, click on the drop-down menu to reveal more options. Choose Everyone to allow a wider audience to view tagged videos on your profile. Once you've made your selection, simply click on Done to save and apply the changes. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and enhance the visibility of tagged videos on your Facebook profile using your PC. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through displaying tagged videos on Facebook. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on optimizing your social media experience.